Here are steps for how to give ratings and reviews on orders and bookings on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Marketplace tab, select the Buying List and Service List option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view all your orders and services. 5. To locate a specific order or service, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down the list. 6. Click on the order or service for which you want to give a rating and review. This will open the order or service details page. 7. On the order or service details page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find a tab labeled Order Completion. Click on it. 8. In the Order Completion section, you will have the option to provide ratings for the products or services you received. You can also rate the overall order or service experience. 9. Additionally, you can write a review to provide more detailed feedback about the products, services, or overall experience. 10. If you wish to include images or files along with your review, there is an option to upload them as well. Once you have provided your ratings, written your review, and uploaded any necessary files, click on the Rate Order button to submit your feedback. Congratulations! You have successfully given a rating and review for your order or service. Please note that ratings and reviews can be given only after the order has been delivered or the booking has been accepted. If the order or booking is still in progress, you may need to wait until completion to provide your feedback. That's it. You have now learned how to give ratings and reviews on your orders and bookings on tool44.com. Your feedback will help others make informed decisions and improve the overall marketplace experience.